Hi, my name is Steve,
Hi, my name's Matt.
and we're repair associates at the Chicago Market DC. Today we'd like to share some information about the push-to-open glides that we think would be beneficial to all the departments across the DCs. The push-to-open glides were introduced in 2018 with the Adrian and McKean collections. The drawers that feature the push-to-open glide are a very simple design. To open and close them, you simply push in and pull your hand back, and the springs that latch the drawer in place will uncompress and push the drawer forward. When you're closing it, do the same function. Avoid pushing on just one side, because this may not disengage the glide, or one side of the glide may disengage and the other may not. So it's always best to apply even pressure in the middle. This is good information to share with the customer at the time of delivery. To remove the drawer, push it in to extend it. Underneath the drawer, you'll feel two triggers, one on each side. These triggers latch the drawer box into the arms of the glide. Simply pull the triggers towards you, the drawer will disengage and it can be taken out. To reinstall the drawer, you'll see on the bottom that the sides of the drawer box extend below the bottom of the drawer. Line these up on either side of the arms of the glide. Push in the center and wait till you hear it click into place. Then test to make sure that it operates correctly. To correct this common issue, there are actually shims built into the underside of the drawer box, or a leveling mechanism. There's one on each side, so you can control one side or the other. You'll feel two dials that you can turn, or you can actually just slide there's a wedge that you can get your finger on and slide over in or out. And this will almost always be able to adjust the drawer to stop the rubbing. When moving a piece around with the push-to-open glides around the DC or on delivery, it's best to not flip it upside down. It's best to transport it either right side up or on its back. The reason is the retaining clips that hold the drawer box into the drawer glide, when flipped upside down and jostled or bumped around, can knock the drawer box loose or get it wedged inside the case piece. On my side, the drawer operates the way it should.
Mine won't
That side, it won't. In order to fix an issue like this, where one side is latched and the other isn't, or the box is wedged inside the case piece, if you can flip the piece upside down or get your fingers underneath the drawer to release those triggers, you'll be able to disengage the drawer from the glides. If you can't, on a piece like this, on the McKean, it's very difficult to get your fingers in. There's not a lot of clearance. A lot of the DCs use a makeshift tool like this. It's what we use to open up Copenhagen drawers. It's simply a piece of metal strapping that goes around the slat pallets that's cut off and then bent over on one end as a hook. Once you get the drawer released, it's best to release the drawer fully and then reinstall it.